welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, my name is Diane. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how I edit my workout videos on Instagram. So if you follow me on Instagram, or if you don't, go check it out. But I post a lot of workout videos and I have been getting so many questions on how I edit my workout videos, and it is a process, you guys. But if you are looking to get into the fitness industry on Instagram and you want to kind of make your videos look a little more professional, this is going to be a really good video for you to watch. I'm going to be showing you guys how I edit my videos now and how I used to do it before. You guys will see why I'm doing both techniques later on in the video. When I edit my videos, it is a process and it takes me about 30 minutes, but if you are new to this program, it might take you a little bit longer in the beginning, but once you get the hang of it, it's just like boom, 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 and you're done. But it is still kind of like a lengthy process. But if it's something that you want to do, I feel like why not? It makes your Instagram look more professional, and if you are trying to obviously grow your Instagram, it's always nice to make your videos look nice and pretty. So I'm gonna go ahead and get started with the first technique, which is what I do now. And I use an application called Final Cut Pro, which is available on your MacBook. I'll put a little screenshot and the price of it on the screen here. If you don't already have this application, it is a little bit more on the investment side. It took me a little while to finally make the jump and just do it. I was using iMovie to edit my YouTube videos for the longest time, but then I was just like, you know what, I need to invest in myself and my business. So I finally downloaded Final Cut Pro and I absolutely love the application. It is worth every single dollar. You are going to need to download another add-on, which I will leave all the info in my description box and in the video as well. So I'm going to go ahead and show you guys my laptop and just do a screen recording and show you guys how to get this done. Before I get into the video, I'd really appreciate if you guys subscribe, give this video a thumbs up, leave a comment, all that good stuff. Next time you're scrolling through my Instagram, you know these videos take so much time, so I'd really appreciate it if you drop a like, comment, share my post, whatever. Just show some type of appreciation for it. I truly, truly appreciate it, but let's get right into the video. Alright, so you're going to open Final Cut Pro, and I always airdrop all my videos straight from my phone. That's where I record all my videos. So you're going to do one at a time, and once you drag it in, this little window is going to pop up and you're going to change the settings to 1080p HD. Don't mind my cat that just meowed. And then the first thing I always do is just trim the video. So right where I want the video to start, I'm going to use a little blade tool. You can push B or click on the little toolbox, and you're going to chop the video exactly where you want it to start and then end, and then obviously just delete the parts you don't want. I then take the sound off, so I never have any sound on my videos. I just mute it, and then I already pre-saved the 90-degree flip and I just named it workout videos, but you can also just click the transform button and just rotate it just like that using the little tool. And now it's time for the fun part. So this is where all the cute text is. So it's called 99 text, I believe. I literally just googled cool text for Final Cut Pro. It's a downloaded extension. I think you have to pay for it as well. I forget how much it was. I think it was like $20 something, but they have so many different options for text and I just absolutely love all of them. Depending on what kind of workout I'm uploading, that's where I'm going to pick what kind of text box I want. So for example, for HIIT, I'm going to do a text with 2 boxes. And then for weightlifting, I do a text with 3 boxes because I usually add like how much weight I want you guys to use, whether it's moderate weight or heavier weight. You guys know what I mean. And then so for the HIIT workouts, obviously you're doing body weight. So you only need to put like the time amount that you want them to work out and the name of the exercise. So here I found the text I want. So this is usually the one I use for my HIIT workouts, ab workouts. So in the top little box, I put the time, which for right now it's going to be 40 seconds on. And then I'm going to type in the exercise as well on the bottom. And then if you scroll down, you're going to see the length here. So you can customize the length. So if you need it to be longer or shorter, you can do that here. And then you scroll down, and then there's going to be the colors that already come with the text box, but you can always change them. I always make them match my outfit, so you can use a little teardrop picker. If you don't get the color that you want exactly, I usually just go for something else that's in my video and I'll pick it off of there. And then once I find the color, I type it in just so it's clear that that's my color that I want. And then I use it for the other text box as well. And there you see how it has the yellow on both boxes. So now we're going to turn the text box 90 degrees so it matches your workout video. So we're going to make it a little bit smaller, and then using the transform button, you're going to rotate it 90 degrees, and then you're going to place it wherever you want on your video. Just be aware that when you upload to Instagram, it chops off a little bit from the bottom and then a little bit of the top. So you don't want to put it too low or too high up. You can also trim the length of your text if you want it to be shorter or if you want it to be longer in your video. And as far as my video, I typically want it to be 15 seconds or less. So I always speed up my videos and I put it up to 120%. And then, you know, that brought it down to 14.43. So then it sped up a little bit. Now we're going to save it. So you're going to export it with that top right button and click on Apple devices 1080p. That way it doesn't take up so much room on your phone and it uploads to Instagram with no problems. You're going to save it under whatever name you want and then just save it to your desktop. Now we're going to quit out and it's going to be right on your desktop. Once you finish editing all of your videos, you want to make sure that they're all good. And then we're going to export all of them by airdropping them to your phone. So you're going to right click and go down to share and then airdrop, and then just make sure your Bluetooth is on both your computer and your phone. And once it pops up, you're going to click on your little name and then it'll pop up on your phone. So now we are on my phone, so you're going to have to do this with every single video that you have. So you're going to open it, edit it, and rotate it so it's vertical. That way it is ready for Instagram. Once you've done that, open Instagram, go to new post, and obviously you're going to go to select multiple because you're going to have multiple videos to upload. Once you have those all in your order, you're going to hit next and make sure your text is shown clearly, all that good stuff. Click next, and then you're going to pick your thumbnail for each video by clicking the cover button, and then you're going to drag to the spot that you want. And then I mute it again just in case I missed it, and then you're done. Alright, now that you guys finished watching that technique, I'm going to show you a more affordable technique. So before I downloaded Final Cut Pro, I used to use the InShot app. So this is something that is super quick and easy, and you can do it straight from your phone. You don't need a laptop. I believe you do have to pay for the app, but it isn't anywhere near the price of Final Cut Pro. So this is another technique that you can do for your videos. So you're going to download the InShot app. I don't remember how much it cost, but I'm going to upload a video straight from my camera roll. So since we did record on my phone, it's pretty easy. You just upload it straight from your phone. And then of course you're going to follow the same process. Just trim down the parts that you don't want. And once you're done with that, I usually just speed up my video and I do 1.10 on InShot. Next, we're going to add some text, and first I'm going to mute the video, and then we're going to go to text, and then we're going to type in your exercise name. So I'm going to type in just leg raises for now, and then you can change the color, you can change the font, the border, the outline, your text color, you can add shadows to it. There's a whole lot of things you can do on here. So as you can see, you can change the font, and I'm going to add a little label just so it's like easier to read, and it's kind of like a text box. You can make it any color you want, and then I'm going to add my set amount of time for the exercise, and then you can adjust it and place it where you want it to go. You can move the text around, so if you wanted to start in the very beginning, you can move it around there. You can also animate the text, so the way it comes in and then how it leaves. So they have all these different options just to make it look a little bit more professional than rather just adding a text and just popping up there. I swear there's so much you can do on this app. That's why I think it's 100% worth it. You can also play with the opacity of it, so making it a little bit lighter, or you can just leave it full 100%. Once you export it, it's going to open up right on your camera roll, and then you go and create a new post, just bring it up, and just follow basically the same steps that we did in the other part of the video. I hope you guys enjoyed this video and you learned some awesome tips to edit your workout videos. And you can obviously use these tips to edit your YouTube videos or whatever else you're trying to edit. All these good tips are going to be super useful for any type of editing. Like I said earlier, workout videos don't just pop up. They don't take 2 seconds. They take a lot of time. So I truly appreciate it when you ladies do engage in my posts, my workout video posts, especially because those take the longest. For some reason, selfies always do a lot better than workout videos, and it's so funny because it takes literally a second to take a selfie and throw a little filter on it and post it, and then, you know, it gets a lot of great engagement. But a workout video post that literally takes maybe like an hour to do if you add everything together, like the recording process, the editing process, the typing out a caption process, uploading process, all that takes about an hour. And then for it not to do is great. So I really appreciate it if you guys engage in those workout video posts and just show some love to them. If you use any of these tips in your next post, tag me, because I'd love to see how you did editing your videos. That would make me super happy just to see how professional your videos are looking now. So I truly appreciate you guys watching this video. If you enjoyed it, please give it a thumbs up, drop a comment below, and I will see you guys in the next one.